Hi, so I want to make a video on how to update your HS-1650T, and after updating, showing you how to calibrate after you do that update as well, okay? So for right now, what you will need is a USB drive. We do recommend SanDisk, as we just have a higher success rate of using SanDisk with our units. Would recommend 8 gigabytes between 32. Only reason for that is if you go any higher, we need it to be FAT32 for the format. So again, 8 gigabytes between 32, just so it could be on FAT32. And SanDisk recommended. If you do try a non-SanDisk unit and it's not working, I would recommend trying a SanDisk at that point, as again, some of these units kind of like using SanDisk, and at that point, trying SanDisk is your best bet, okay? But for the most part, again, you need the USB drive, and then from there, we'll go to datavideo.com. Once you're in datavideo.com, we'll have to go to the HS-1650 page to download that firmware. So once you're on the home page, it should look like this with the video playing. And then on the top right over here, you would see a magnifying glass for a search bar. If you don't see this, you'll probably have it minimized, and you have these three lines on the far right, and you have your search here. Okay, I'm gonna close it for now and do full screen just for the sake of this video. So again, top right, magnifying glass, type out HS-1650T, just like that, then press enter. And now it will take you to the key search. So 1650 here will be your first unit on the left hand side. Go ahead and click on that one, and this will take you to the product page. Once you're in the product page, you have here, if you go below a little bit, you'll see features, media, workflow. Follow that, click on downloads, and it'll take you to downloads. Once you're here, you see firmware, click on firmware, and you have the firmware here. Go ahead and click on the firmware. It's going to automatically start to download, okay? All right, for me, it finished on the top right over here. If it has a little folder in here to show in folder, go there. If you don't see that, go on the bottom left-hand side where the show in folder is at, or file explorer, and you could go there. For the sake of this video, I'll go into show in folder, and it should take me to my downloads automatically, okay? In the download section, you will see it's on the top right here, and you will see that it's zipped, okay? You will need to extract that, so all you would need to do is right-click over that firmware, extract all. If you don't see extract all here, you will see it up there. So we'll do extract all, extract. Then a second window will pop up. Again, you will see that second window with another zipped file. You will need to unzip that second file, okay? Go ahead and right click, extract all, extract. And now we have that Datavideo folder, okay? What we need to do now is go ahead and grab your USB stick and plug it in. Go ahead and plug in my USB stick. Okay, there is already stuff in this one, so what I'm gonna do is right click on the USB drive, and then I'm gonna go to format. Make sure that format is FAT32, and it shows here by default. I'm gonna go ahead and start and press OK. Okay, that format is complete. So now I have the empty USB drive here. And if I go back to downloads, go back here, go back to the unzipped one, you're gonna click on that Datavideo folder, and what you're gonna do is drag and drop that into the USB drive. Go into the USB drive, all you should have is that Datavideo folder. Right click, eject safely, and you're good to go ahead and pull out that USB drive. From there, what you want to do is go over to the HS-1600T. Go ahead, if the unit is on, go ahead and turn off the unit, please. Back button, press the shut off button, you'll see here. Go ahead and press yes. Unit is off. On the back of the unit, go ahead, grab your USB drive, find your USB upgrade port, which will be right here. you will see it will say FW upgrade for firmware update. Go ahead and plug in your USB drive. With the USB drive plugged in, go ahead and turn on the unit. As you can see here, do you want to upgrade to KB 1.116? That is the firmware that we downloaded from the website. Let me just go ahead and show you. If you can see here, the 1.1.16 was the firmware. So just all you have to do is press yes. Just waiting for this unit to fully boot up. Okay, then from there, you just go into these three little lines up in the top right. Oh, still updating. So at this point, you would just wait the same amount of time as I'm waiting currently. Okay, it looks about safe. We have our image back on the screen. Datavideo logo went away, and we have our full menu. I'm gonna go ahead and click on those three lines again one more time. Yep. Then from there, you wanna go to setup. Once you're in setup, you have this page currently, which is your setup page. Then all you need to do is click on this second tab here, and firmware is here. It was at mainboard 1.80, keyboard is 1.1.16. Okay, so after you do this, you will need to calibrate your T-bar. It's probably not needed, but highly recommend after every update, just do the T-bar calibration just to make sure your T-bar is working as intended. Okay, so from here, on this right corner of the touchscreen, okay, that bottom right, you're gonna keep tapping until you'll see a sub menu for the T-bar pop up. Okay, so on top, this bottom right corner, just keep tapping, and you have this here. Right now, you have low bound and high bound. Audio calibration, you could disregard that for right now. All we're just focusing is on the T-bar calibration. Okay, so we have low bound and high bound. Currently, my T-bar is on the low bound, so I would have to raise it and hit it high bound. If yours on the high, just do the opposite of what you need to do. So for example, I'm gonna raise it to the high bound. I'm gonna hit high bound. I'm gonna go down to low and hit low bound. One more time, just for the sake of the video. Go up, press high bound, go down, press low bound. Once you've done that, at that point, all you would need to do, just tap on the side. Apologies, it'll be the right side again. Okay, 2 times on the right, you'll see this little window pop up. All you do is just press OK, and you're good to go. At that point, your unit is updated and the T-bar is calibrated, and you should be good to go. If you have any questions, just go ahead and contact us and we'll go from there. Thank you.